It's a cloudy day. Ima, be careful, oh. Cliff Green Energy. As I big like buffalo, I don't go fit climb roof. Oh. I don't go fit climb roof. I leave it to my boys to climb the roof. Not my boy, my men. They are men. These are men, able men. But anything on inside installation, you can count me in. I run that. But organo they touch shit now. Now the men waiting under organ they chop they touch shit. Yeah, that's how it is. Cliff Green Energy. Using this bad boy to power the pen is the IC 8 kilowatt hour lithium battery. It's currently on 90% state of charge. Still in the box. We are using two of it paired with that bad boy lying down there. We are using it to power 120 units of 10 watts AC bulbs. That will give us around 1,200 watt hours. So it will be powered from 7 in the evening to 7 o'clock in the morning.
Solar panels gleaming, turbines spinning high, reducing emissions, reaching for the sky. Our mission is clear, our vision is grand, a world powered by nature, hand in hand. Glaive green energy shining bright, renewable power igniting the night. We're the pioneers paving the path, clean energy solutions for a greener aftermath. Innovation drives us, sustainability guides.
So this one is not too much. So we're generating about 630 watts. The power series, how many? 5. The series 5 pieces of 50 watt panels in 2 strings, and then parallel we take them together. We don't want to overshoot the voltage of the MPPT inside of this IC inverter. Although it's 500 volts, 450, 500 volts, but we don't want to take that risk. So that's why we have to do the power series connection. So far so good. Our battery is almost full. It's on 26.9 volts. We have not set parameters. We're just testing. So we should start setting parameters. So currently we are pulling in 177 volts and 500 and something watts in total. So the sun is down. Film outside, let them see outside. So the sun is not bright, it's cloudy at the moment. So that's being said. Let's continue with the installation. Okay, we are done with this installation. Never mind our cable showing. We are subcontractors, so the real contractors will get that fixed. So this is a 4.2 kVA IC inverter paired with two 8 kilowatt hours IC inverter, making 16 kilowatt hours. We have connected them in parallel, and on the roof we have 10 units of 450 watts solar panels, two strings of 5 panels each. Then that is power series connection. So this setup is meant to power the whole of this tank. It's meant to power the whole of this tank. Up to beyond that white barricade you are seeing there. The electricians are still working. You guys fixing the bulb. So the water just sensed a short circuit. So it tripped off. They need to fix themselves. So basically, that is what we have done here today. We'll still go to the other pen and do the final, testing, and then we'll be done for the day. You can see the light is back on. So we are done with our parts. The electricians will do their parts. Thank you.
Just to fit your brand. star.